Welcome to my channel. My name is Brano, or you can call me Bree, and today I'm be unboxing something new. Well, new to me because I've never ordered anything from YSL, and of course this is how it looks when you order it online. I'm pretty excited to unbox this. It is a cap. It is the YSL New Era collaboration, and I'm just so excited about this packaging. Like, it's so pretty, and I'm excited to order more things from YSL because I don't know, it's just nice and sleek. From opening this package, it is the box that the item comes in. So this is the box. It is the Saint Laurent black box with the little like bow tie on it, and I just think this is really cute. It does remind me of the Prada box quality, but I don't know, I've never had anything for myself, so I don't know if there are other packages come like this. I'm pretty sure they do. Yeah. Taking off this little bow that they put, and now we're gonna open the package. Okay, so right from the get-go, you can see the little tissue paper, and it has the Saint Laurent. Really sleek. I just think it looks super fancy and nice. And as you can see, we have some goodies. It has a little card and it has a little message inside because I did get this for my birthday. That was interesting. And then the little envelope. I'm sure in this envelope it has like the returns and all that. And it does. Oh, a little YSL thank you. That is so cute. Yeah, putting that back in the little envelope. I love little things. And going back into the box, you can see it has its own dust bag, and I think that's quite interesting for the cap, but you know, might as well be extra about it. And I love that they just put in a little dust bag. I did see some people get a little tote, so I'm not sure if you get to, like, it was during that time you got a little tote, or if you bought in store. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just a little Saint Laurent dust bag, which is so cute. And for what everyone has been waiting for, the beautiful cap in this beige, off-white or white cream colored cap. It's so beautiful. And there you can see it has the New Era, adjustable like it says, with the little hardware right there. Saint Laurent New Era. I love this. It's so cute. I really want to get the black one next because I know this one I'm gonna use the heck out of it and get it dirty. Yeah. And here's a little tag. Saint Laurent New Era. And as you can see, it also on the inside, sorry about the tag. On the inside you can see. And then the tag again. And I'm not sure what it says in the back, but it has all these different I don't know if it's Japanese or what. But anyways, this is the cap. And I'm so excited to wear this. I look funny in caps. So this is how it looks on me. I still need to adjust it. But it's so cute. I know New Era, you can find New Era in lids. And I've been wanting just a regular cap from lids. But this is kind of like a baseball fitted cap. And I'm sure you can, well, it depends on how you like your caps. You can make it straight, because some people do like a little flat brim, but I just like the little baseball. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this collaboration, and if they should do more collaborations. I think they should come out with more colors. They should come out with pink, but YSL is very sleek, very chic. So I'm sure they're only gonna keep those 2 colors. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.